And Kunal, morning. It was a very quiet session yesterday as well. What are we in store for today?
So good morning, Aisha. It may not be an ordinary session because my sense is, what has actually happened yesterday, the Dow closed at 33,800 mark, which is for the first time above the 200-day moving average. Now, this could be a decisive breakout for the US indices. Over the last 1 month, the Dow was struggling below this long-term average. It tried to come very close. There were intraday breaks for the index above that 200 DMA. But yesterday was the first session where the index managed to close. So it may not be an ordinary breakout for the global markets. It could probably be a trending breakout for the global major, and I think that could probably have a positive effect across many of the other emerging as well as the rest of the world equity markets. Coming to our markets as well, specifically, we had the stance that the indices are consolidating 19,300 to 350 as a broad support for the index over the near term, 19,800 as a resistance. But my sense is that if we break past about 19,800 mark today, say on closing basis, then I think we could be calling for a breakout as well as a trend breakout for the indices.
Okay, point taken. Nooresh, 19,800 could be that breakout level, but it's been a long time that we have been trying to get out of that range, right? But 19,800 has acted as a big hurdle. Today, it doesn't look like HDFC Bank is going to support it to go higher. What's your take on that 19,800 level?
So the view is on the index will continue to see for the next 2 weeks impact of results from a lot of heavyweights. So one day we could be breaking out, one day we could be back into the range. So the clear view is that we may not break 19,400, 500 as soon. 19,800 will need triggers coming in from results for the next 2 weeks, or unless there is a much sharper move globally. But if you look at everything apart from the heavyweights, there are strong trends building up across the board. So we've seen a lot of names do well in the mid cap and the small cap category. So the viewers' bias is positive. Ideally, we should go and test 20,200, 300, and 19,400, 500 should hold. But there could be some volatility over the next 2 weeks due to results.